Jumbo guys, in this video I'm gonna do my headlight restoration. I have the Rain-X headlight restoration kit. What you need is your drill. And hey buddy, you gonna help me today? I have my drill with me. Right there. Put it in. And what the other thing you'll need is a spray water bottle can thing. We're gonna put water in it. So let's get to it. Let's open the kit and see what we have in here. Trying to open it with one hand. Okay, there we go. This time it worked. We have some gloves. And let's take out all our other stuff. What is this stuck in here? Wipe. Protectant sealant. So that's the after. Like after you finish everything. Alright. Polish. Buffing. Okay. So buff with that, wipe with that at the end. We got this. And let me go get my water. No. Alright, I laid everything out as so. And I've forgotten one thing. My masking tape. Let us see where I put that thing. Oh, here it is. I have my masking tape with me right there. And I'm gonna mask off the outer layers where I don't want to scathe the paint. And I'll be right back. Alright, just finished masking off important parts. Put the head bit on the drill. And reading on the instructions. Okay, when you read the instructions, sorry about that. When you read the instructions, it tells you to start with the brown, gray, then blue. But first, I'm gonna clean the lens. Come on. Come on. I got my microfiber towel somewhere here. Here we go. And I'll clean both lenses so I can go ahead and start. Be right back. So we'll begin sanding at the same time adding, like spraying some water from a sprayer. And let me show you after I finish the first step. Yes, Amani, you wanna hold this? No. What? You ain't gonna help? No. Alright, after your first pass with your brown sander, this should be the result. All hazy. Alright, let's get to the second level, which I'm gonna use the gray. Alright, so this is how it looks after the second level pass with the gray. So it's starting to look real good compared to my other one. It's pretty much good, but I will see the end results. So we're about to go and polish it with that one. Then we're gonna buff it. And now we are on the polishing stage. I put the orange polish buffer. We're gonna use the polishing whatever that is on there until it's bright as we want. Are you gonna polish that too? And I will show you step by step how I put it on. Alright, this is how we're gonna apply on it a little bit. Then I dab it, spreading it evenly so that it doesn't splatter everywhere until we are done. All right, let me go and polish and I'll show you.